what came in the mail today. It's the OnePlus 2019 launch event gift. I did an unboxing of 2018's gift for the OnePlus 6T event last year. You can check that video out here, above here somewhere. I'll link it. And that gift was actually pretty cool. It was a bunch of like glass panels that you stack them together. They pretty much give you a message, which was about speed. So off the back, this is much smaller than last year's gift. It's just a little red box. Don't know what's inside yet. Let's check it out. Okay, nothing else in the box. It says Go Beyond Speed, OnePlus 2019 launch event. Looks like there's some stuff in there. Oh, okay. So when I pull, oh, cool. So it opens up like two flaps. Let's read what it says. Transcending the limits of speed, creating smoother tech together. Our journey begins with a desire to build a device you would be proud to own. Experience the most powerful expression of this philosophy yet. Signed by Pete. Okay. Cool, I guess. A little underwhelming, to say the least, especially compared to last year's gift. But hey, they don't have to give us anything. So this is, this is still pretty cool. I'm glad that I got something. I am looking forward to the event. I will be attending the event May 14th for the OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 7 Pro event that's going to be held here in New York. I will be attending that event, so stay tuned for coverage for that and anything else OnePlus related. Please stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a great one. Bye.